This lift is so freaking scary. Look at that. If we don't have the lap bar down, we're pro.
Yeah, right. I'm holding on for my life.
This is like the craziest lift. I gotta get a video of this, girlfriend. Hopefully my phone doesn't shut off because it's cold. But look at this king. Oh, rip it. Rip it, girl. This is freaking just mint all day. Look at this cliff coming up. It's my jam. There's Blackcomb over there. Ridiculous how big this resort is. Look at this. Woo! Oh! Yeah! Yeah! I'm gonna get a video of us coming off the lift, baby. Oh, a dog! Oh. Freaking just is up here. This is my jam. Where we gotta go? Oh, we don't wanna go Black Diamond. It's just freaking the jam.